Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how to make the origami bird that is within your March craft kit. Ones that look like this. You'll find your instruction sheets within the craft kit. Very welcome to use those, but if you want to follow along with me on this video, you can also do that as well. So you've got several sheets of square origami paper. It's the thin one, not the card, which is the thick, but it's actually the thin origami paper. It's patterned one side and plain on the other. And you may have 3 or 4 sheets of those. So you need the square piece of paper. First step is you're going to fold it over from one corner to the opposite corner. And every time you make a fold, you want to make sure that you've scored it properly. Let's have it this way. And then you're going to take one corner of the triangle to the opposite corner. So it's the corners on the longest edge of your fold. Going to bring corner to corner on that one there. Again, make a good fold. I'm actually going to swap it over so it looks like the paper instructions. So you've now got a triangle with similar sized edges. You've got 2 corners that you can open. I'd like you to take one corner and you're going to take this corner down horizontal to the opposite corner here. Make a fold. You're then going to turn the triangle over and you're going to do the exact same with the other side. So top corner to the bottom corner, like so. Okay. Then you're going to take one of your open corners down to the longest edge. So you want that top corner just to touch the middle of the longest edge here. Again, turn over and do exactly the same. So this corner over to your longest edge here. Okay, what you're then going to do is a bit of a tricky part, so you might want to follow along with me. You're actually going to invert these folds that you've just made. So the easiest way is to pick it up, open it out. You've obviously got your fold here. You're actually just going to push this fold, so you see it's facing upwards at the moment. You're actually going to push the fold down instead. So it's kind of tucked into the original bit. You're going to turn it over and you're going to do the same with the other one. Again, open out. Tuck this fold in. So you've kind of got an inverted triangle in there now rather than on the outside. Okay, you then have, you can kind of see the bird starting to form, can't you? Okay, so if you turn this so that your loose folds facing the top, and you've got the corner down here, you're going to take the bottom corner, which is the one with loads of folds, and you're going to make just a 90-degree angle. So you're going to take the corner and meet up the edge to this other corner here. Again, score it. You're then going to invert the fold again. So if you open it up, if I can remember how to do this, you just, that's it, I've got it, tuck it in like this, so that's now going to be the head and the beak. So I'll just do that again for you. I'll open it up. So we had the fold like this, open it out, and just tuck it in on itself here. Okay, you're then going to do the wings. So for the wings, you've got your kind of 3 layers here of folds, 1, 2, 3. You're going to take the top one and you're going to open it out so that this bit here is flat and you've kind of made a fold underneath. turn it over, do the same with the other wing. So just one layer at the top. It's quite an easy fold because you kind of follow the flatness of this side here. And then you take your tail, so just pull it over so that this edge is now flat. Again, you can invert this, poke it in. That one's quite a tricky one, hasn't really worked. Trial and error sometimes. Let me do that again for you. Right, you've made the fold. You can either leave it as it is or invert it a little bit. Like so. I think I prefer it when it's just out like this. And there you go, you've got your bird. Beak, wings, and then you can put a piece of string on there. You could punch a hole through it, tie a piece of string, put some sellotape in a piece of string, and you can hang them up. Or you could just have them loose on your side of your house. Enjoy!